Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the ocean to uncover some mind-blowing facts about one of the most misunderstood creatures on the planet, sharks. Forget the scary movie monster stereotype. The reality is way more fascinating. So, let's get started. First up, did you know that sharks have been around for a super long time? We're talking about 450 million years. That means sharks were swimming in the oceans way before dinosaurs roamed the earth. They've survived 5 mass extinctions. Talk about being a true survivor now. Let's talk teeth. We all know sharks have a lot of them, but did you know they have a kind of dental conveyor belt? Sharks can have multiple rows of teeth, and when one falls out, another one just moves forward to take its place. Some sharks can go through over 30,000 teeth in their lifetime. Imagine having a new set of teeth on demand. Here's a weird one for you. Some sharks, like the great white, practice something called intrauterine cannibalism. It sounds intense, but it basically means the strongest pups in the womb eat their smaller siblings before they were even born. It's a brutal start to life, but it ensures only the toughest survive. And what about their senses? Sharks have an incredible sixth sense called electroreception. They have special pores on their snouts called the ampulla of Lorenzini, which can detect the tiny electrical fields produced by the muscle contractions of other living creatures. It's like having built-in pre-detecting radar, which is super useful for hunting in dark or murky water. Not all sharks are huge predators. In fact, there are over 500 species of sharks, and they come in all shapes and sizes. The largest is the whale shark, a gentle giant that can grow up to 60 feet long but only eats tiny plankton. On the other end of the scale, you have the dwarf lantern shark, which is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand and even glows in the dark. Speaking of glowing, some deep-sea sharks use bioluminescence to camouflage themselves, attract prey, or even communicate. The kitefin shark, for example, is the largest known glowing vertebrate. It uses its glowing belly to blend in with the faint light from the surface, making it invisible to prey looking up from below. Now, you might think all sharks need to keep swimming to breathe, right? Well, not exactly. While some species, like the great white, do need to constantly move for water to flow over their gills, a process called ram ventilation, many other sharks do. Bottom-dwelling sharks, like nurse sharks, can actively pump water over their gills while resting on the seafloor. This is called buccal pumping. Here's a fact that might surprise you. Sharks have no bones. Their skeletons are made entirely of cartilage, the same flexible tissue that's in our noses and ears. This makes them lighter and more flexible than bony fish, giving them incredible agility and speed in the water. Did you know some sharks can have virgin births? It's a process called parthenogenesis where a female can produce offspring without a male. It's been observed in several species, like the zebra shark, usually in captivity when no males are available. It's nature's amazing way of ensuring the species continues. Finally, and most importantly, let's talk about their reputation. Despite what movies might show you, shark attacks on humans are incredibly rare. You're actually more likely to be struck by lightning or injured by a falling coconut. Sharks are crucial for the health of our oceans. As apex predators, they keep other marine populations in check and maintain the balance of the entire ecosystem. Sadly, many shark species are threatened due to overfishing and habitat loss. By learning more about these incredible animals, we can help dispel the myths and work towards protecting them for future generations. They aren't mindless monsters. They are ancient, diverse, and vital parts of our planet's blue heart. That's all the time we have for today. I hope you learned something new and have a newfound appreciation for sharks. What was your favorite fact? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.